Variable Bitrate, or VBR, is widely used in modern video encoding. It automatically adjusts the bitrate based on scene complexity, which helps reduce file size while keeping good visual quality. Sounds great, right? But in real-world use, VBR can cause serious compatibility issues in some video players, editing software, game consoles, and even TVs. For example, audio desync, laggy playback, upload failures, or incorrect duration display. That's when CBR, constant bitrate, becomes the better choice. So in this video, I'll show you how to easily convert video bitrate from VBR to CBR. To easily convert VBR to CBR, we'll use WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro, a beginner-friendly all-in-one video processing tool. You can download it from the official website or the description below. Step 1. Load source video files. Launch HD Video Converter Factory Pro and open Converter. Click Add Files to import your VBR videos. Or simply drag and drop them into the interface. Step 2. Choose an output format. Click the format icon on the right side. You'll see over 500 output presets grouped into different categories for different usage scenarios. Here, I'll choose MP4 under the video category as an example. Step 3. Switch to CBR mode. Now comes the most important step. Click Parameter Settings. Here, you can select the video encoder, adjust resolution, and most importantly, change the video bitrate. You can select a CBR option from the Smart Fit menu. Or click Customize to manually enter an exact bitrate value. Then click OK to return to the main interface. Step 4. Start conversion. At the bottom of the program, click the inverted triangle icon to choose an output folder. Finally, click Run to start CBR encoding. And that's it! Your VBR video is now converted into a CBR file with better device compatibility. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick video tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.